here this 4-piece mermaid costume. Instantly, I love the colors. They're coordinating their Halloween costumes. So instantly, this is like ocean vibes. I love the crochet skirt. It is light and it's shimmery. The starfish accessories really do tie the look together in seconds. This is the necklace, and these are the hair clips. Very nice. A little over an inch in diameter. And there's the clip, and there are 2 of them. Very cute, very solid, very well made. And this is the skirt. It is a wraparound. Very nice. I like the seashells for her on it. It's decorated with seashells. The full matching set is going to make completing the look for Halloween effortless. The skirt has great movement and coverage. My daughter is a size 4, and this is more than ample coverage for her. And finally, the necklace and the hair clips add that touch of a sparkle without feeling cheap. This is a cute, easy to wear, perfect for Halloween or a beach themed event, and it feels magical without trying too hard.